What's going on, everyone? We are back with an update on our GBPJPY or the pound yen. It is January 20th, Martin Luther King Day. And let's go into the trade that we took here. If you have not seen the breakdown, I will link it to this video as well so you can see how everything was unfolded beforehand. But still holding our level at the 190.02 area. We did get that wick on the weekly candle. There is still a lot of sellers involved in that last candle, so I kept that in mind. Scaling down into the daily, we had this nice sweep blower here. If you look left, we swept the stops here from the 189.54 area. So I scaled down to the H4 time frame. Notice this nice bullish engulfing, which was a break of structure on the H1 time frame. We had the breakout here, went up as high as 190.40. That was a closure. We waited for a pullback, entered a small position here on Friday, and then we were waiting for this level here at 190.40 to break for another entry. All right, so we placed our stops right under here, 189.38, looking for a 1.5, which that target already got hit at 190.97. We entered our second positions here, waited for this to break. You can see we entered here on the 20th, which is today, at the close of this H1 candle at 190.53, placing our stops right under this last low here, this swing low, or this higher low point at 189.88 area. And we are still looking for a 1 to 1.5, which was already hit. Let's bring it back. Okay, right there. Okay, that has been already hit, but like I said in our previous video, price is always looking for liquidity, and our main liquidity area is here up in these highs. So we are at break even already, looking to squeeze the market for what it's willing to give us. We already took out this high here, this lower high at the 190.91. We also took out liquidity here at 191.50 area, and then we're going to look to target 192.40 area, and then our final one here at 192 or 193 even, to see if they want to break above that, consolidate here, and then look to get the remaining liquidity sitting at the 194.70 area, as explained in our previous video. So this is just more of an update on our GBP trade, how it's going. We're currently sitting on 82 pips here. This current position hit our first 1.5. We broke even, still holding that. So overall, we are currently floating 135 pips. And let's see how this unfolds. We'll keep you up to date. Catch you in the next video. If you like this, make sure to boost it, follow, and share this with a fellow trader. See you in the next one. Peace.